Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Ledger Live on iPhone, easy method. Open the Ledger Live app and enable Bluetooth, then tap the plus icon to add your device and follow pairing prompts. Create a new account or import an existing one with your 24-word recovery phrase, making sure you are in a private space. Finally, install the apps you need and verify each address on your device before confirming any transaction. In this video, I will explain how to use Ledger Live on iPhone, easy method. To receive funds, open the account, then choose Receive and pick the correct cryptocurrency, then verify the address shown matches your Ledger device. Copy or share the address only after visual confirmation on your hardware. If you manage multiple accounts, use clear labels and notes to prevent mistakes, and always reconfirm addresses for large transfers or unfamiliar senders. In this video, I will review how to use Ledger Live on iPhone, easy method. If this tutorial is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more concise guides. Quick recommendation. For a cleaner desk and uninterrupted focus sessions, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control and smart mapping for effortless maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to use Ledger Live on iPhone, easy method. Start a send by choosing your account, entering the recipient address and amount, then set the network fee that matches your priority. Review the full transaction summary in the app, and always confirm the destination and amount directly on your Ledger device before approving. For added protection, enable a passcode and Face ID or Touch ID on your iPhone so the app stays locked between uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.